Hello friends, welcome. Let us study micrometer screw gauge. In this section we will study zero error, positive and negative error and few examples. First of all we will study zero error. What is zero error? If zero error of head scale is not, if zero mark of head scale is not coincide with zero mark of main scale, then it is called zero error of micrometer screw gauge. Let us understand. Here is zero of head scale, which is very much aligned with this baseline. So in this instrument doesn't contain any kind of error because both the zero marks are very much aligned. Now positive error. Here zero is not aligned. Let us see, compare with previous one. Yes, it is completely aligned. And in positive error, the zero is below baseline. Now, how much error, positive error is there, that we have to calculate. How much division are there, that is very important. There are two divisions. So 2 multiplied by least count, that is our positive error, that is 0.02 millimeter. Now negative error. If zero mark of head scale stands above with zero mark of main scale, then it is called negative error of micrometer screw gauge. Here this zero of head scale is very much above from baseline. You can see it is 6 division up. So 6 division value is negative error. So 0.06 millimeter is negative error. Now let us see a few examples. Okay, main scale of micrometer is calibrated in millimeter and total number of division are 100 on head scale. Observe the following figure 1 and find the dimension of given object. Zero error is 0. Here is sphere. We have to measure the diameter. Okay. Let us calculate. First of all we will find least count, that is 0.01 millimeter, that we are very much knowing now. Main scale reading is A is 5 millimeter. Where is 5 millimeter? Yes, 1 millimeter, 2, 3, 4 and 5 millimeter are there, more than 5. And head scale reading is B, that is 44. Yes, it is 40 and it is 44th division aligned with baseline. So we can calculate the dimension of object A plus B. A is a complete measurement, that is 5, and B is its alignment value, that is 44, and C is 0, so our reading is 5.44. Let us see one more example. In this example we have to take care the positive error of 0.05 millimeter. Let us calculate. Okay, first of all we will find least count measurement, that is 0.01 millimeter. Reading is 5 millimeter, complete measurement, and 74th division is aligned with this baseline. So you can see the our dimension of object is A plus B plus C is 5 millimeter plus 0.74 millimeter and minus 0.05 millimeter. Why minus sign is there? Because there is positive error. Yes, it is here. So we have subtracting that value. So our ultimate answer is 5.69 millimeter. Let us do more practice. In the screen we can select the perfect answer. What is the dimension of given object? We are measuring the diameter of this sphere, and we have to click the right answer from this different radio buttons. 1.63. That is wrong answer. Why? Because 1 millimeter and 65th division is aligned with baseline. So our answer will be 1.65. That is the right answer. Again, one more example. What is the dimension of given object? Again, we have to see on the baseline and head scale reading. Not complete one measurement, 1 millimeter. So our reading will be 0.74 millimeter, because 74th division is aligned with baseline. And now you can say the answer will be 2.45 millimeter. Why? This 1 millimeter, another 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter complete measurement, and 45th division is aligned with this baseline. So our answer will be 2.45 millimeter. Let us make much more practice. What is the answer? You can say 10.72 millimeter, 10.88 millimeter. These are the options. 10.72 centimeter, the wrong answer. Why? We have a calibration of millimeter scale, so our answer will be in millimeter. So 10.72 millimeter is the right answer. Yes, 72nd division is aligned with baseline. Okay. Thank you.